Did you know that an investment of just $27 in a cryptocurrency that started as a joke turned an anonymous investor into a multimillionaire? No, it's not science fiction. It's the power of meme coins. But be careful, these coins can change your life. Well, or they could ruin it. Today, I will reveal all about how they work and some of the most incredible success stories related to these particular cryptocurrencies. Hello everyone and welcome to this video. This is The Winning Journey, a space for winning people. Today, we will discuss a topic that has driven the world of cryptocurrencies crazy: meme coins. In this video, I will explain what meme coins are, how they work, and how they have changed the lives of many people. How has someone become a millionaire with a few bucks investment? If you've ever wondered how these cryptocurrencies, often born as a joke, can have such a huge impact, you are in the right place. I also have a surprise for you. I hope you'll like it. What are meme coins? Anyway, let's start with the basics. What are meme coins? Meme coins are cryptocurrencies inspired by memes on the internet or pop culture. Exactly. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, they are not created to solve complex technological problems. Their purpose is primarily entertaining and speculative. Imagine Dogecoin. It was born as a parody of Bitcoin, inspired by the Shiba Inu dog meme. Today, it is one of the best-known cryptocurrencies in the world. But why have they become so popular? No problem. We'll find out soon. How do meme coins work? But first, let us try to understand how they work. Meme coins work like all other cryptocurrencies. They are based on blockchain technology, guaranteeing security and decentralization. Some examples of blockchains used for meme coins are Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Solana. The value of a meme coin is mainly determined by demand and supply. But what sets them apart is the factor of virality. Their price can increase dramatically thanks to the hype generated on social media and community support. And now, a question arises. Why do people invest in something that seems like a joke? The explosive fame of meme coins. Meme coins rose to fame thanks to an explosive mix of virality on social media, influential celebrities, and a public fascinated by the idea of quick profits. As simple as that, this is why people found them so credible. Think of internationally renowned figures such as Elon Musk, who with a simple tweet about Dogecoin increased the value of the currency by over 800%. Or to the Reddit community, which promoted Shiba Inu as the Dogecoin killer. In reality, this phenomenon is fueled by and closely linked to the fear of missing an opportunity, or FOMO, fear of missing out, which pushes people to invest for fear of being left behind. These success stories fuel interest in meme coins, but which are the most famous? The most famous meme coins. Among the most famous meme coins, we find Dogecoin, born as a parody, is today one of the most traded cryptocurrencies in the world. It has an impressive market capitalization of over $52 billion for those who don't know. The market cap of a cryptocurrency is measured by multiplying the price of the token by the circulating supply. For example, a Bitcoin token is worth 100,000. There are 18 million tokens in circulation. The market will be 100,000 into 18 million of tokes equal 1,800 billion. Another one, Shiba Inu, called the Dogecoin killer, has reached a market capitalization exceeding 12 billion. Then Pepe is one of the most recent, famous for incredible returns for early investors. It has a more modest market cap of $7.4 billion. The last, SafeMoon, SFM, during the DeFi boom, generated significant profits for many early investors, although many of those revenues declined significantly after a short time. By the way, we are talking about a market cap of over 25 million. Yes, it is much less impressive than its great predecessors, but it still produces attention-grabbing numbers. Meme coins have one thing in common. Their growth was driven by the community, by exploiting the network virality. That's the way they gained a solid base of investors. And some of their stories are truly incredible. How did people get rich? Well, now let's move on to the most interesting part. How did meme coins turn small investments into million-dollar fortunes? Do you remember when I mentioned those $27 became over $10 million? Here's the story. An anonymous investor, we'll call him John, bought 2.5 trillion Pepe for just $27 immediately after launch. With the excitement around the new meme coin growing, the value of John's tokens has exploded. In the following weeks, John's portfolio's value approached 1 million as the Pepe-related buying frenzy reached its peak. When the project's market capitalization reached 1.8 billion, John's tokens could have been worth almost $10 million. However, according to the CoinMarketCap.com tool, the tokens themselves, if John had still all of them, could have reached a value of over $43 million. Otherwise, let's think of Tommy and James, who have asked CNN not to publish their last names to protect their anonymity, had put a few $100 into an odd digital asset called Shiba Inu coin. At that time, one coin was worth a fraction of a cent, but a friend, who happened to be a crypto expert, told them he believed it could be a big moneymaker. After a few years, they became millionaires, thanks to the soaring value of the coin. Who created Memecoins? At this point, I'm pretty sure you have already asked yourself, how were Memecoins born? And who created them? Well, Dogecoin, the first meme coin, was created in 2013 by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. Their goal? Make a parody of Bitcoin. Inspired by the Shiba Inu dog meme, they created a cryptocurrency that didn't take itself seriously. At the time, Marcus was working for IBM in Portland, Oregon, and Jackson Palmer was a member of the Adobe Systems marketing department in Sydney. Marcus then reached out to Palmer and jokingly tweeted, "Investing in Dogecoin, sure it's the next big thing." 10 days later, they were in touch about developing it together. They had the brilliant idea of turning a meme into a coin. Incredible! After the launch of the joke currency, their notoriety skyrocketed as Dogecoin.com received over 1 million visitors within the first 30 days. But as you know, Dogecoin is not left alone. Over time, other meme coins such as Shiba Inu, Pepe, and SafeMoon made their entry. There is a huge amount of meme coins, actually. I shared with you the ones we think are the most famous. Now let's go for something more technical. How can you buy meme coins? Buying meme coins is easier than it seems. Here's how to do it. 1. Choose a platform. You can use centralized exchanges like Binance or decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. 2. Set up a wallet. Install a compatible wallet, such as MetaMask. 3. Deposit funds. Add funds via wire transfer or credit card. And then 4. Buy the coin. Search for the desired meme coin, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. However, before you dive in, it is important to know the risks associated with these cryptocurrencies. You know, it isn't always easy to interpret the charts and ride the wave of economic news. This is why I recommend you do your own research. And this actually brings us straight to the next point. What are the main risks associated with investing in meme coin? Meme coins may seem like a lottery ticket, but they also entail significant risks. The first factor is extreme volatility. Their value can fluctuate by 1,000% in a single day. In addition, there is a lack of intrinsic value. It is a serious problem if you want to consider meme coins as one of your assets. Let us remember that many meme coins have no real utility. Furthermore, they could suffer a particular market manipulation. Some developers may exploit the hype to enrich themselves at the expense of investors. And also, we can easily notice many frequent failures. And actually, according to the data, most meme coins don't survive more than a few months. Invest only what you are willing to lose. And now, we're almost at the end. Thanks for watching this so far. And do you remember the surprise I mentioned at the beginning? For the more curious, let's see how to create a meme coin. This is a small summary of how the process works. So, if you want a full video about this topic, let me know in the comment. And please, don't forget to leave a like. It would be really supportive. How can you create a meme coin? Creating a meme coin might seem complex, but it's actually a simple process. 1. To start, we have the choice of blockchain on which to base your project. Ethereum and Binance. Smart Chain are among the most popular platforms due to their flexibility and wider adoption. 2. Next, you will need a wallet to manage your funds. Tools like MetaMask allow you to interact with your chosen blockchain easily and securely. Once your wallet is set up, it's time to bring your coin to life. 3. This is where the token configuration phase comes into play. You will need to decide name, symbol, and total supply of your token. These details are crucial because they will define the identity of your meme coin. 4. Then, to actually and officially create the token, you need to use platforms like ThirdWeb or Pump.fun, which simplify the entire technical process. At this stage, you will have to create a liquidity pool. Once completed, your token is ready to launch on the market. 5. But it doesn't end there. You need to promote your coin if you want to succeed. The key is building a passionate community. Social media campaigns and the hype generated around the project can make all the difference between a meme coin that fails and one that takes off. Okay, maybe I made it a little too simple. However, creating a meme coin is therefore within the reach of many, but turning it into a success requires strategy, creativity, and a lot of commitment. Yes, right now, creating a meme coin is easy, gooey, but making it popular is a whole different story. It's safe to say that meme coins are an unmatched phenomenon in the cryptocurrencies world. They can transform lives but destroy savings. If you are thinking of investing, do it with caution and awareness. $27 becomes millions? Well, it could happen to you too. Or maybe not. The world of meme coins is unpredictable, but this is also what makes it so fascinating. These cryptocurrencies are authentically a unique mix of opportunities and risks. Always remember, the success of a few can inspire many, but every investment must be made with prudence and awareness. And if you like, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our content. And now, another surprise for you. If you are fascinated by the possibilities of earning online, click on the next video above. I will reveal concrete and easy-to-follow strategies to start building your financial independence and maybe how to turn your curiosity into action.